What's so great about the Ninja Pulse is the versatility. Let me walk you through the assembly of the single serve blending and drinking cup. Take your single serve cup, add the ingredients for a great smoothie, complete juice, or a frozen blended drink. Add your ingredients, then take the Ninja blade technology. Again, be careful, they are sharp. Screw them on to the single serve cup. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Make sure that it's nice and tight before you place it on the motor base. Now let's get to pulsing. Attach your single serve cup to the motor base by aligning the tabs on the cup with the notches on the base. Then turn clockwise slightly. Now the pulse is activated. You can press down on the top of the cup to begin pulsing. Once you're done and you're ready for that delicious drink, turn counterclockwise slightly, remove the cup. Screw your lid and blade set off. Set it aside. Take your drink lid, screw it on, again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And now you're ready to get out the door with a great drink.